Hello, welcome to Florian exhibition in Dresden 2023. We are exhibiting here at this German exhibition for fire, disaster management and civil defense. We're presenting the ShoulderSink together with Blaulicht.de, and I'm just going to show you the product with the eye of a fire department. For fire departments, it's really important to have a good hygiene. There's a lot of carcinogenic material in the suit they're experiencing, just as they can come over almost any kind of water, flooding water, sewage, chemicals, and so on. Also, therefore, it's very important that with the ShoulderSink, you are able to shut the water on and off without touching anything. You just need 2 seconds of water to start the hand wash. After that, you take the soap. Because the water is not running, you save a lot of water. That's one benefit. But we also tend to, when the water is running, psychologically rush the hand hygiene as such, and that means you have a poorer hand hygiene. Here you have 10-15 seconds to actually lathering your hand to do the soaping really well, and then you use the water again for another 6 seconds, and that means 8 to 10 seconds of water used for one hand wash, and the unit runs 6.5 minutes. That means you have well over 35 hand washes in one unit. Over here we have 120 meters of paper, and you just need 40 centimeters for one hand wash. That means 200 hand washes of paper there, and you have a bin in the center here. Typically you would have a hand cleaner or a sanitizer in the other dispenser here. So one very important detail is also that you can hook on the shoulder strap, and especially for the fire segment, it's important because if you have the hand hygiene in your vehicle, but you have a team that's going out in a longer fire, they need to go away from the danger zone. You can actually just bring this along, and you can go and make a pause. You can ease, and you bring the sanitation with you. You don't need to use the sanitation in the vehicle. So, yeah, so that's basically it. ShoulderSink, very, very simple, mobile unit for fire departments, for disaster managers, and so on.